Imagine flying through the air and capturing everything around you, above, below, and even behind you, in stunning detail. Most drones only see what's directly in front of them. And if you want a full 360-degree view, you usually need bulky cameras and hours of editing just to stitch the footage together. But that's about to change. DJI Avata 360 could be one of the biggest drone releases of 2026, and it might completely change how aerial videos are captured. This isn't just another small upgrade. It's rumored to be DJI's first flagship 8K panoramic FPV drone, combining immersive 360-degree recording with the thrilling experience of first-person flying. And the best part? The drone reportedly handles the complex stitching automatically, meaning creators won't have to spend hours editing footage. According to leaks, the official launch is expected on March 26, 2026 at 12 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, with DJI teasing the device using the slogan, "Above it all, see it all." Early availability could begin in Asia immediately, while markets in the US, Europe, and Australia may start receiving shipments around April 2026. So what makes this drone so special? Instead of a standard camera, the DJI Avata 360 is rumored to feature a hybrid camera system with twin fisheye lenses mounted on a rotating gimbal. These lenses capture footage from multiple angles, allowing the drone to record a complete 360-degree environment. But creators who prefer traditional flying won't miss out. The drone can reportedly switch to a single-lens FPV mode, giving pilots the classic racing drone experience. In terms of video quality, the specs are impressive. Leaks suggest 8K panoramic video recording, along with 6K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support. This means sharper detail, better color accuracy, and cinematic-level footage. Under the hood, the drone is rumored to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is significantly larger than most FPV drone sensors. A bigger sensor means better low-light performance, making sunset flights and indoor shots look much more professional. Flight performance is also getting an upgrade. The drone could weigh around 450 grams and deliver 23 to 25 minutes of flight time, which is excellent for an FPV-style drone. Safety features are also expected to improve dramatically. The Avata 360 may include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, meaning sensors monitor every direction to prevent crashes. It's also expected to use DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, offering a stable video connection up to 20 kilometers. The design reportedly keeps the signature cinewhoop-style with ducted propellers, making it safer for indoor flying in tight environments. The drone will likely work with DJI Goggles 3, DJI Goggles N3, and controllers like the DJI RC Motion 3. If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Avata 360 could become one of the most exciting drones DJI has ever released. For travel creators, real estate videographers, and action filmmakers, it might be the ultimate FPV drone experience. And if you've been waiting for a drone that truly captures everything, this might be the one to watch.